Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and to the first review of 2026 and hopefully the first of many to come for the year. So I thought we'd start off the year with a little bit of Pretty Polly. And if you're not familiar with Pretty Polly, they are pretty much a brand from the UK that have been around for a very, very long time. They're kind of like a bit of a British staple, to be honest. And they were previously known for their really, really good basics, manufactured really nicely. And they kind of been branching out, which is nice to see, into stockings, oil shines, different kind of things like that. And these are a little bit of both. So these are part of the Naturals collection, and they are the Pretty Polly Ultra Sheer Oiled Tights. I have them in the size medium large, and they are in the shade Barely There. So let me just have a quick look. These are retailing, as you know, I digress slightly, that I get a lot of my hosiery from thetightspot.com. Feel free to check them out if you wish. And these are currently retailing for $9.95 on there. So a little bit more expensive sometimes than some of the Pretty Polly, kind of more basics. But we've got to remember that these are 8 denier and they've got the oil kind of shine, sheer look to them. So they're a little bit more specialist. So I think $9.95 is about right. In fact, it might be a little bit lower than some of the other kind of more oil shines that I can think of, like CDRs and things like that, were usually a bit more expensive. So $9.95 for these, and they also come in another colourway which is more of a sun-kissed. So we've got the Barely There here, and then the sun-kissed as well. And then the back, a little bit of information, lots of sort of languages, descriptions and things like that. And we've got a tiny little hole here just to kind of see what sort of shade these are. So these, I guess, are the closest to my natural skin tone, a bit more of a pale nudie skin tone colour, whereas the sun-kissed ones will obviously be a little bit more tan to them. And so, dual sizing, small to medium, and then a medium to large. So those of us in the UK, the small to medium is a size 8 to 12, and then a medium to large is a 14 to 18. So I'm around a 12 on the bottom, so we should have no issues fitting into these. It does say on the information on the back here, it says if your measurements are at the boundaries between sizes, you may find a larger size more comfortable. And kind of that's what I always say is size up if you're not sure, because it's better to know that you can still wear them and then be a little bit, you know, not loose but roomy, then you can't wear them at all. A little quick look at this, 85% nylon, 12% elastane and 3% cotton, because they do in fact have a cotton gusset. Sheer toes, ideal for wearing with sandals, so no reinforcement there. Flat seams for a smoother appearance, high leg, pretty design, breathable brief. Oh, that's nice actually, an 8 denier oiled leg look. Standard packaging. So we're going to get this brief look, which is great. I always like the reinforcements to have a brief style rather than a boxer style, and I'll show you what I mean when I open them. So here they are wrapped around the card, and you can already see just how fine these really are, because they actually look a bit like tissue paper. These are an 8 denier. I don't often get 8 deniers because they're a little bit scary. But yeah, so that is them. I'm going to do what I always do and start at the top. We can have a little look at those. Let me just fluff it so we can see it properly. Okay, so we have both one seam at the back and the front. We've not got a double reinforcement on the back, which is nice because I really don't like a double reinforcement, and you usually get that with larger sizes. Nice thick waistband. The waistband actually feels really quite soft, and it's got a nice amount of tautness to it. Maybe not as much as usual, but I just think that it's actually quite nice. And then the reinforcement is this kind of brief style. Now I am noticing that they're quite twisted if I just hold them up. You can kind of see them twisting like this way. The whole thing is twisted. So hopefully that's not going to be the case when we put them on. But it isn't necessarily the best because it still should sit flat as possible. But you can see on the reinforcement on the brief part of these, they have like a bit of a pattern to them. If I kind of rest them here and show you, they've got this quite nice sort of like diamond soft self pattern, which is quite a nice touch. Again, it's kind of adding to that £9.95 value there, and as you can also tell that this seam here is really quite flat. Well, you may not be able to tell, but it definitely is. You can see that there is just a little bit of one being slightly higher than the other. It's a fraction, but sometimes that can make quite a big difference. But you can see there's absolutely no obvious seam. You get sometimes this kind of stripe down the front, but what they've done, if I just turn it over, is they've included the seam inside rather than on the outside, so you actually just get this really clean fine line. I don't see tights manufacturers doing that very often, so that's really great to see. These are manufactured in the UK again, which is lovely to see because we don't have the biggest amount of industry. But yeah, it's just kind of nice to see how they've done something. And then it is a cotton gusset, as you can see right there. Quite a nice size gusset as well. It's interesting to sort of see that, again, there's this really clean sort of line here. Again, it'll be interesting to see how that affects how that's been sewn. And then I'll just show you the inside quickly there, because obviously I'll not be showing you this while it's on. So I think this is a really nice idea, but I wonder how that sort of affects the production and manufacturing of them, whether or not that affects how things line up and are sewn. You've got to be a bit more precision based, but we do actually have reinforcement on this, so I assumed that it wouldn't have any reinforcement, and the fact is that it's very, very hard to see because these are so fine. Maybe if I turn, yeah, there is a very faint line here where the reinforcement changes, and it just becomes a little bit thicker almost. You can feel the difference in the material. This is slightly rougher and this is slightly softer, but again quite a clean seam as well, so I guess you could wear these with sandals if you wanted to. But yeah, they actually feel really quite robust for an 8 denier, which will be interesting to see. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put them on and we're going to see what they're like for the £9.95. So as you can sort of see, I have the tights on. So I was super worried that these would be a nightmare to put on because they're an 8 denier. I don't wear a lot of super sheer tights because I have very long fingernails and it's just a scary time. But what I have to say is that some of my 20 deniers are more scary to put on than these were. I think because they have a high elastane content, they just felt really quite strong. What's the word I'm looking for? Robust to put on. The material just felt great. So they were really easy to get on. In terms of sizing, I would say these would definitely fit to a UK size 18 for sure. The waistband on them is super duper comfortable. The reinforcement, you can tell that there is a slightly different texture to them. But again, that's comfortable. Gusset is absolutely fine. And the fact that these obviously have this inner seam is great. Doesn't feel weird to kind of wear, which is really, really good. So I'm not going to be able, I am actually, I can show you the side here so you can see, well hopefully you can see that difference in the texture reinforcement here. So that kind of brief style comes up just kind of mid-hip, lower hip, depending on how you want it to sit. But yeah, super duper comfortable. And I would say these tights definitely have a barely there in terms of the colour on me for sure. Obviously if I had the sun-kissed one, you would see it a little bit more. But in terms of fitting in with my skin tone, these are perfect at the moment. It's winter in the UK, so we're all as pale as can be. But I think that you can kind of see this really lovely sort of oil shine that's going on. Hopefully that's picking up on camera. But I just think it's, again, for me, probably not right now because there is snow outside and these are only an 8 denier. But at some point I could probably go out in these and just have a really glossy, kind of healthy looking leg. So I'm all about that. I think they've got a really lovely sheen to them. They're really soft to wear, soft to touch as well. And yeah, let me show you the foot as well on these, because it did say that you could wear these with sandals. And actually, if you kind of have a little look here, the seam sits more under the toes. Now, you can obviously position this slightly differently, but naturally on me it's sat under the toes, which means by default, obviously, that you're not getting that. So if you've got sandals on, I think from afar, obviously super close up would be different. You could get away with wearing tights with a open toe, shoe, a sandal, that sort of thing. So yeah, I think these are actually a really gorgeous pair of tights. And as you can see, there's still a really reasonable amount of stretch on these. As I say, these are the medium to large, so we are good. And even up onto the thigh, which we tend to sort of lose elasticity, we've still got a really nice amount of give there, and they just snap back into shape. So I really, really like these. I think they're a really well made, well thought out pair of tights. As I said, I haven't really seen many tights that have a concealed seam. That works really well. It makes it look really clean, really high end actually. And I would imagine, obviously, I'm not a tights manufacturer, so I don't exactly know, but having that kind of encased seam is possibly a bit more difficult to do for more mass manufacturing. So the fact that they have done that, I think, is is pretty cool actually. So $9.95. I think they are worth it. There's just one pair, but I think the quality, the manufacturing, the design, the overall look on the leg as well is really, really spot on. And for an 8 denier, they feel like they're actually going to go through a wash. You could maybe take them on and off a good few times and you're going to be okay. And recently, I did actually see, or have seen, quite a lot of content which suggests that if you hairspray your tights, they snag less. So maybe these are the perfect pair to give them a go on, or not. But I am actually going to give these a 10 out of 10. I think they're gorgeous. I think they are definitely worth the cost when we put them towards kind of CDRs, Super Lucidos, Eternos, those kind of prices. They're more between kind of £12.95 to £16, and I think these comfortably sit there, but obviously on the lower end. So I'm going to give them a 10 out of 10. The fit is really good. I would say, like they've said on there, if you are on the higher end of your band, always size up, but I think these are really true to size as well, which is really good. Yeah, I'm going to leave these linked in the description below. Obviously it will be from the Tight Spot, and if you want a little bit of a discount on them as well, you can use my code Langford and that will get you 10% off, so why not? But yeah, let me know what you think of them in the comments below. Are you a fan of the oil shine? Do you prefer more of a shimmer or more of a glossy kind of look? Yeah, let me know. Let's have a conversation. But that is going to be it from me today. I hope you're all having a wonderful morning, afternoon or evening, wherever you are in the world watching this. And I'll see you very soon for another review. Bye.